What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm headed over to Josh's house. He's the one with the yellow S2000 and he just picked up an exhaust today. I don't actually know what kind of exhaust it is. I just know that he bought it off of someone and that he has it and that it has a huge tip. But yeah, so I'm headed over there right now. Hopefully I'll get some videos of the install. And Loki just had to run yellow, but yeah, hopefully I get some videos of the install and the exhaust clips as well, and then we'll see how it sounds. Something is popping behind me, some kind of car. Guys, it was this pickup truck. It has an exhaust and he's popping. What the hell? Yo guys, is that a fucking Supra? Oh, that shit's clean. This is like the 6th lineup ever. RSX, I can't talk. Ooh, I see the exhaust over there. I'm doing a disservice by parking my car here. It's too ugly. You wanna plug?
No, wait. Excellent back in my
Filming?
Oh, no. There you go.
Yeah, man, follow me, John Play on Instagram, man.
Dude, what's up? I haven't seen you for...
Keep it on for it.
I don't know, it's gonna be loud. Starting open headers.
Nah, that's just fucking obnoxiously loud.
Oh my god. Alright, so what do you think of your new exhaust?
Swap. Oh, it's a Cummins swap.
What do you think of your new exhaust? It sounds pretty good, right?
Yes.
HKS, right?
Nah, it's Cummins swap S2K, man.
Cummins swap? Oh.
Like Cummins.
Oh.
Right.
Oh.
That's how you say it, right?
Cummins.
Cummins.
Oh, put that Cummins with a Z. Oh, here's the recording. Oh, okay.
I never realized.
Some exhausts have spring bolts and this one doesn't.
I don't know. But I never realized how short it is. Oh, that's weird. Look, it's like a twin loop.
They cut this part out and then they put it in here.
You said the what? The UK?
Yeah, that's what they do.
And then this is the HKS. Damn, son.
HKS.
Is it the HKS what?
A little bit used, but it's alright. Only a couple.
No, like what's it called?
High power single exit.
High power?
Like that, man. Hey, man, same.
How much was it?
Oh, this is the...
Oh, my ass!
That's the one I wanted to get for the RSX, but I didn't.
Hold on.
Look at his hands, bro. Just
I'm gonna
fucking.
wipe it. Can you pass me?
It's gonna go...
Right here.
Yeah, it's gonna go on the right side.
What
I'm checking the technique.
What for?
Show me the technique. Just the... Your thing, Phil. Your what is it called?
Gasket?
Gasket.
Check the technique. Oh. Alright, ready? Cut.
Oh.
Josh couldn't get it because his hands are too big.
So you call. Damn, I need some lube, cut.
Pass the lube.
Huh?
Good.
Never mind.
We went in dry.
It's in. Alright guys, if you need a chair, pro tip in the garage, put a piece of wood on a jack. This is the best chair
How much was it? You said
that you're ever gonna have. Boom, look at that. This is a chair. Let's go.
the bumpers were just
Damn, they already got the tip on.
The AP1 bumper has that. And then you could get a delete, but I don't know if I want to do that.
How much is it?
Like 500
Keep his tires.
Yeah.
Oh fuck!
John, why'd you sell your side skirts, bro?
Why is this shit not lining up?
Is your tattoo?
I want money.
Damn. Look at that fitment though on the BMW. Ooh. Ooh. I feel like exhaust videos are so like simple now. It's so simple though that like I've done like all this stuff on my car. Like it's not even worth filming.
Oh, is it tight?
Hell no.
Does that one have a hanger or what?
It's supposed to have a hanger right here, but I don't know where it goes to.
There's nothing.
That's weird.
Oh, this goes right here. This is support.
It doesn't
Fat.
hit?
It does fit. I just have
No, it doesn't hit?
No. See?
John, move your
Oh,
head.
you know where we could go to that fucking place we went to last time?
You know the deal, guys. 3 bolts there. 2 bolts there. Couple hangers. It's a catback.
Like a regular class?
It's easy.
So,
It's easy.
do I have any boogers?
Yeah.
I do.
Oh, that's awkward. Baller headers.
Oh yeah, actually though.
Yeah.
Okay. So they're
There's
OBX
a
headers?
Yeah,
What are they?
OBX, I believe.
OBX, yeah. OBX header.
Shout out to Facebook Marketplace,
Invidia
man.
test pipe.
I mean, we didn't
Like how you wipe your ass.
Oh,
Just wipe it good. I don't
like
know.
this. That's my asshole. I mean,
Alright. Check for leaks, Joshy.
You want me to record with the phone?
No, I got it.
Camera?
Ready?
Yeah, that's camera.
Ready?
I don't think that's a cold start either. Because he started it to like move the car and shit. I felt it in my chest.
That sounds good.
Does this one leak? Nope. Does this one leak? Oh, fuck, that's hot. Nope. We're good.
that's loud.
Ooh. Alright guys, we're about to go eat, so I'm gonna get some clips inside the car,
We're about to go eat right now.
and then I'll get some outside clips.
And then we'll get some outside clips. Where's Dad for this?
It's pretty loud. Hopefully there's not that much wind noise. I'll keep the camera down.
Smelly boy!
Alright, and we're doing 20 miles an hour now. That's pretty nice. That sounds good. Don't rear end John.
Chill. I'm so excited!
Get some like sixth gear. I want to hear the drone.
That's dealable. I mean, dealable. What is it called? Ready?
Sounds like my car. He's probably doing something funny. I can't see though.
It's just chilling.
There's a tunnel, guys. You know what we gotta do. Yeah, that sounded pretty good.
20 minutes later.
up, fool?
What's up?
What do you think of the exhaust?
It's a good sound.
Good sound?
Not ricey.
Sounds good?
Even with the headers, I thought it would be a bit ricey, but
And a test pipe.
Yeah.
it
So I
sounds
got a
good.
full-
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. A lizard.
Oh, grab
Alright.
it. I'll give you $20 if you grab it. Oh, no. Choose your fighter. Grab it. You're too slow.
It left.
Alright, you can stop.